Hey there, it's Jennifer again. Today I'm going to do something super cool. I'm going to perform a step-by-step demo of a TCA peel and then finish it off with our new Vitamin A Dream Peel for extra flaking. I'm excited to show you the process, so let's get started. First things first, why would you want to add on vitamin A to a TCA peel? This is an easy one. We've used our Luminosity 0.50% retinol for several months now as a peel booster for our TCA and Jessners peels. What it does is help your skin start the peeling process a bit more quickly. It also helps the skin to flake more aggressively. Many of our customers see a big difference when adding on a layer of vitamin A. Luminosity versus Dream Peel application. There's a big difference with applying Luminosity as opposed to with the Dream Peel. With Luminosity, you rinse your TCA or Jessners, apply the serum, and then do it again for the next few days in a row, or until your skin starts flaking. With the Dream Peel, this is a one-time shot only. You'll do your peel, rinse, and then apply the Dream Peel. For the remaining time after your peel, you'll use healing items only, never any more vitamin A. Let's get going. I have my manual and know that step 1 is to wash my face with a good deep cleanser. My skin is oily acne, so I'm going to use our AB cleanser. Let me go take care of that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with freshly cleansed skin. Time for step 2, which is stripping the skin. I have our Prep B solution here, but if you don't have that, you can use 90 or 99% alcohol. That'll work just fine. Okay, go over your skin like you would a toner. Apply to every area that you want to do the peel on today. Let that air dry for a few seconds, and then you'll be ready to apply your TCA peel. Now here's a little memo for the glove police. Usually I don't wear gloves for application, but then your fingers can peel. So if you want to avoid that, wear gloves for the process. I'm gonna make everyone happy here today and use them. Now I'm applying the TCA 13% today. We'll see how many layers I can get to. I'm gonna take a second here to really reiterate how wet this pad is supposed to be, as many of you might be applying it too dry. We want it wet, but not dripping wet. So the way I like to get this just right is by saturating my gauze, of which I have, and then giving it a little squeeze. The gauze we have is thin, so I like to use 2 of them together. This works perfect for me. Now I'm going to apply the acid everywhere I want to peel. Just fade it in a little bit. Make sure you hit everything nice and shiny and wet. As always, we're going to wait 5 minutes for the skin's proteins to coagulate and for the TCA to neutralize. Why 5 minutes? We don't know exactly how long it takes for everyone's skin to process, so we like to give it a full 5 minutes. Some may happen in lesser time, but always wait to be 100% sure before applying the next layer or rinsing, okay? Now that 5 minutes has gone by, it's time to evaluate my skin. You want to check for things like frosting, that white haze that shows up sometimes. I'm not seeing any. Not at all. I'm good to go for another layer. But if your face were to turn white, then you definitely want to stop, rinse, and then apply your other products. So let's get started on layer 2. Saturate again. Now notice you don't rinse in between layers. Not with Jessner, not with TCA. You just apply as normal and wait again. Dripping. So, same areas. Can get a little bit more intense by layer 2 for sure. That's to be expected. – A little fan can be helpful. Now we wait 5 more minutes. I'm back, and I'm not sure if you can see or not due to the rosiness in my face, but I also definitely have some frosting here, around here, and here. I know it's a little bit hard to see in a video camera, but I'm ready to rinse. So I've got some ice cold water, and all we're gonna do is just pat on all the areas we applied the peel. And just keep going over until your skin feels good again. If you're irritated, if it's burning, putting this on is going to help calm everything. We're not neutralizing it. The TCA neutralizes all by itself. We're just calming our skin down. Generally just a few times going over, then you're going to feel good. And you're not going to wash that frosting away. It's going to be there. It'll go away usually about 20 minutes, maybe sometimes a half hour. I've heard of it being there long as an hour, but that's pretty rare. Alrighty. Now it's dream peel time. Got my bottle of dream peel. I'm gonna open it up, let my face air dry for a couple of seconds. This is a brand new bottle, so we're gonna have to do a pump or two. Oh, there it goes. Now we do want to be sure to avoid the eye area, which I'm gonna do. So if I were you, I would apply some Vaseline to the eye area and also around the mouth, the corners right here, and on your lips if you want. You'll only need a small amount here. All right, I'm gonna get 1 pump of dream peel, and now I'm gonna apply it to my face. You really don't need a ton. Now voila, we are all done. If you're doing this at night, go to bed and have sweet dreams. If you're doing this peel during the day, leave the dream peel on for about 6 hours or so, and then rinse. After rinsing, you can apply your normal healing ointments, such as our healing oil or emu oil, or even our new canna with CBD. All are great for healing your skin. I'll check back in a couple of days with some photos so we can see how the flaking is going. When I'm all done with this process and adding on the vitamin A, I'll let you know how I think the peeling went with this extra layer. Okay, I'm back, and I just want to give you a couple of my thoughts regarding this process. Applying the product, perfectly easy. Your TCA peel and then your dream peel, it went perfectly well. I went home that night and washed it off before I went to bed. Then I applied some healing oil mixed with emu oil, mixed with some hyaluronic acid, and that was perfect. By day 2, what happened was my skin already started to flake, and that is highly unusual for me. Usually I'm a day 3, day 4 kind of person. So it did start to flake, and my skin was sensitive and warm. My skin was pink and warm to the touch for probably the first 2 days. I had, some peeling around the mouth. I'm gonna put some photos in here to kind of show you how things went. And after about 2 days, I stopped being red, I stopped being sensitive, and, just went along and flaked as normal. I will say today is day 7. We're back to Monday again, and I'm still not 100% done flaking. I still have some dry patches here and there. I did my enzyme mask. I did a little bit of our diamond dermabrasion scrub, and of course some little gentle circular motions with my washcloth to get the majority of that off. At this point, I would say that I really did enjoy doing the peel this way with the 2 different peels. I would definitely do it again because I certainly got more flaking than I would normally do. So I want to say thumbs up, 2 thumbs up for this method. And I hope that you enjoy it and you give it a try too, okay? And remember, if you still have any questions, just reach out to us. We're always here to help you. Have a great day.